Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever imagined about the building or maybe the church or the cathedral, and also the building itself was made of the lasagna? Oh, isn't that cool, right? So yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create this picture. And you will see this is the huge and also the beautiful cathedral, and you will see here that this cathedral was made of this lasagna. If you zoom in, you will see the features. It's kind of the lasagna and also the ground beef, and if you look down you will see the basil, garlic, and also the tomato paste, and also the melted cheese over here. It's kind of the overflowing. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, surprisingly, to create this picture you just need the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it into the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to create this one into another AI or another platform, it is very okay, and you can do the experiment with it. And also I will share you the prompt to create this picture, and you can simply copy it or maybe give the screenshot over it. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the home page, and you can click this Try Nano Banana, and you don't need to upload the picture, you just need this prompt, and you can start to give this the screenshot. And basically the prompt will be like this, guys. A majestic Gothic style cathedral made entirely of lasagna layers and also melted cheese and also pasta sheets, and the structure features intricate stained glass windows and also glowing with the colorful light. This is the glowing and colorful window, and also the detailed spires and ornate arches, and also all designed with a realistic food texture. And also the lasagna layers form the building walls with the rich tomato sauce and also melted cheese flowing naturally. And rays of warm sunlight, I guess the sun from this one, shine through the stained glass and also casting vibrant reflection on the cheesy surface, and surrounded by the fresh basil leaves and also tomato sauce at the base, and creating a surreal yet appetizing atmosphere. And also the hyperrealistic 8K ultra detailed cinematic lighting and also food or architecture and imaginative and whimsical design. So this will be the prompt we have over here, and you can click run. And basically this is the same prompt that we have used before to create or transform this prompt to become this picture. However, I will be always honest with you that we can have the different picture by using the same prompt, guys. For example, this will be the different or another picture, and you can start to check it out. And you can also zoom in and look at the details over here, and if you like it, then you can start to download it. However, if you would like to try another picture, so you can start to rerun this turn in this section or this section. For example, I will start to click this rerun and kindly wait for the another different look. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.